In this video, I will show you some boat racing done by Florida Atlantic University summer camp students. So they made these boats by bottles and other instruments using batteries and small propeller, and you can enjoy this racing. But most importantly, if you look at this video description, you would come to know how you can make these amazing boats with anything you have near your hand, and you can go for a race. So watch this video and also like, comments and share with your friends, and also look at the description how to make these kind of small boats. I hope you will like it.
Yeah.